Today, we've got an iPhone 15 with a rear camera issue. When you open the camera app, the screen goes completely black. No image, no response at all. This happened after the phone was dropped, so the rear camera module is most likely damaged. That's why the camera isn't showing anything. In this video, we're going to replace the rear camera, and I'll also show you how to open an iPhone 15 carefully, step by step. Let's get started. First, power off the iPhone completely to avoid any damage. Now, remove the two pentalobe screws at the bottom of the phone. These screws hold the display in place, so take your time and keep them safe. Once they're out, we're ready to open the iPhone 15 carefully in the next step. Now start opening the back panel. After gently heating the panel, use a one-sided razor blade and pry it open slowly. Most people use a suction cup, but if you don't have one, a one-sided razor blade works just fine. Take your time here. Slow and careful is the key. I'm not rushing this process at all. You can see how carefully I'm opening the phone. Once you create enough space, you can switch to using your hands and slowly lift the panel the rest of the way. As the adhesive loosens, I'm continuing to lift the panel by hand. Everything here is done slowly to avoid stressing the cables or the glass. You'll notice I'm keeping steady pressure and working my way around the edges. And there we go. The back panel is fully opened. Now we have full access to the inside of the phone, and we can move on to the next step safely. Now, I'm removing all the screws securing the protective shields. These covers sit over the battery connector and the wireless charging connector. Each screw is placed carefully aside, keeping everything organized. Once the shields are off, the connectors underneath are exposed. This allows us to safely disconnect power and continue the repair without risking damage to the phone. All right, the strip is out now, so I can fully separate the back panel. I'll lift it off carefully, let you have a quick look at it, and we'll put this aside for now. Next thing I'm doing is disconnecting the battery. This is always important before touching anything else inside. Okay, battery is disconnected.